Okay, welcome to another episode of the Rotator Cuff Repair Expert. Today we're going to talk about something that's coming up for me, which is a huge success, I think, for the channel and in general for the people who are watching. So you can get the information from here on YouTube, Rotator Cuff Repair Expert, and all the videos. We have probably, 50 or 60 now of videos. We've also got enough people who have subscribed. By the time that this is aired, we will be about probably over 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. A lot of hard work's gone into making these videos. A lot of people who have helped me, including my family, to get the videos in a way that makes sense, that they're not too complicated, but they actually describe what's going on in a way that people who are not doctors can understand. So that's super important. So, and we are going to be about 20,000 views per month. And so what's happened now is with that, which is again amazing, there's a lot of questions that get asked in the comments, and I'm happy to continue to answer them. It's a little bit harder to manage now because of all the questions, and sometimes I will ask questions back, and the only way to see them is to kind of go through all the questions. So again, you know about YouTube. You should know about mybodyprotector.com, which is the website where we have a few products, and we'll continue to add products as we go along to help support your recovery from rotator cuff repair or other shoulder surgery. That is also where we have additional resources, some more true blog, not video, but true blog, true content that is in written form, that some people prefer the written form. And then now we're going to do a private Facebook group called the Rotator Cuff Repair Expert private Facebook group. The reason why I make it private is because I don't want too many people in there that are not going through this, right? I don't want random things. I don't want spam. So there's going to be one question. It's an easy question. Says, are you or someone you know or love going to have rotator cuff surgery or have had rotator cuff surgery in the recent future or past? So that'll help weed some people out. The reality is probably no matter what you put there, it doesn't really matter to me if you say no, but a shoulder replacement, that's all fine. It's just one layer so that we can get the spam out of there. We get the people who are not really going to be beneficial, productive to our Facebook group. That will also help you guys to interact. Because right now there's not a lot of interaction. There's a little bit of interaction, but not a lot of interaction between subscribers or people who view the videos because it's hard to do that on YouTube. But it works well on other private Facebook groups that I'm involved in with some other shoulder surgery groups. The difference between my shoulder surgery group and others are going to be, one, that I'm a shoulder surgeon and I'll be monitoring, I'll be answering the questions, but also there'll be ways for you to answer questions amongst each other, because that's helpful too, because if you're going through it, obviously it's a different thing than if I'm telling you about it from the surgeon perspective. So that's super important. I think that will really help us form a tighter group. There's been more comments lately about, how do I do this by myself? How do I get through this? Can you give me tips? And there are tips, and we've done tips before, but the reality is you can't. You can't go through this by yourself, or it won't be very healthy to do that. Obviously, there's lots of things you can do. You can get the recliner or the wedge or whatever, and you can shower, and you can make all your meals before you have surgery. You can do that. But you really need a community. We all really need a community for going through this trial. It is very difficult. The shoulder surgery recovery from rotator cuff repair is very difficult. And it's great if you have friends who you can ask questions to, who will respond in a kind way and a way because they've been through it before. So I'm really excited for that interaction that we don't really get on YouTube. Please go over to Rotator Cuff Repair Expert, a private Facebook group, and subscribe to the private Facebook group, and then we can get more and more people in there to help each other. The other thing was what I'll be doing, and what's going to make it different for us, is that I will be doing some Facebook Live. So I'm probably doing 1 or 2 a month where I'll get together and I'll answer some questions, and you can bring any question you want to, and I'll answer to the best of my ability. I don't know exactly when those lives will be, so I will be sending out an email probably a week or so before the live. If you do info@mybodyprotector.com, that's my email address. And if we can get that connected, then I can tell you about when the lives are coming and whatever else exciting is happening within this journey for me, because it truly is a journey for me too. My passion has been to help people get through this tough situation, this tough scenario in their lives, and hope to be able to do that in a meaningful way, in a way that serves you well. I hope you liked the video today. I hope you put the comments in that you're excited or something else, hopefully in a positive way, that we're gonna have this private Facebook group. And I hope this really serves you, because that's the whole point of this, is I know lots and lots of people who've gone through this surgery, and it's hard. You need help, you need support in lots of ways. You need support from a good surgeon, a good guide you through this. Hopefully that's what I am, your guide. There are products that are not readily available that we're gonna try to provide for you, so that's the other way. And so just know that this is a journey for all of us. My journey is a little different because my journey is to try to get you through your journey, but we're still in a journey together. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please go to the Facebook group and be part of that too. And please email me info@mybodyprotector.com. I can give you more details on when we're doing the lives and anything else that's coming up. So hopefully this helps. Hope you're excited. I'm excited, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.